how to fix Snapchat not sending pictures on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat not sending pictures on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Snapchat, click on it, and first thing you need to do here is to click force stop. This one. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just come here and click storage and then clear cache, and that's it. Then just restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, come back to permissions and allow storage here, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.